P&G had a remarkable move going into the print, so some of this was expected in terms of their strong top line. And with Coca-Cola, I mean, look, the stock, people are still trying to believe that this is a sustainable growth story. And even though they keep on coming out quarter after quarter and delivering very good top line, the earnings growth hasn't been there because of currency. And we all know what's going on with the dollar right now. So that's putting a little bit of a lid on the upside on that stock.
Nick, I tried to paint a little bit of a divergence between the winners and losers within consumer staples. How do you look at it?
Yeah, I think what's amazing to me, right, is this whole notion of big brands versus small brands and how everyone was talking about the death of big brands just as early as 6 months ago. And what we're finding is that the companies that are actually spending behind their businesses, that are actually developing data sets to better understand the consumer, and that takes money, that takes talent. These are the companies that we're talking about today. I mean, P&G, while yes, they're putting up very good growth numbers, let's not forget that they were in Kraft Heinz's position not too long ago until they really started to turn their business around, reinvest back in the business, change their organizational design, change their corporate culture. Same thing with Coca-Cola. So I think what the tagline, if I can be a Star Wars geek, is, we're seeing kind of the empire striking back right now. We saw with Walmart as well. When these big companies decide that they want to actually try to get growth and take some of the tough choices early to invest, we're seeing that pay big dividends.
What's your top pick in the sector? In other words, what fits that bill but hasn't seen the stock move yet?
Well, I have a very diverse coverage universe. So on the big cap side, Coca-Cola is definitely still my top idea. In terms of my very top idea, it's Constellation Brands. That stock has had a pretty dramatic move higher. It was at $150 not too long ago and is, over $200 now. I still think there's a lot of upside there. I like Monster Beverages. That's a very controversial name. Some new competition coming into that market, but I think their long-term growth profile is going to be intact. And on the smaller cap side, I like a company like Energizer, where they've just done a couple of deals that I think the market is underappreciating at this moment.